Welcome back to English Destination. In this video, you are going to see 3 uses of across that will be helpful to you in spoken English as well as in IELTS. Let's get started. First of all, we are going to see first use of across in English language. So the meaning of across is to the other side of a line, road, bridge, river and so on. Let's try to understand this with the help of examples and pictures. First, her house is just across the river. Here in the picture you can see her house is just to the other side of the river. That's why this sentence is given. Second sentence, he took 10 minutes to go across the park. It means to go to the other side of the park. Third sentence, there is a street market across the bridge. It means there is a street market to the other side of the bridge. Let's learn second use of across. It means on the other side of a line. Let's try to understand this with the help of examples and pictures. First, the man walked across the ice. You can see in the picture, the man walked across. It means on the other side of the ice. So, first picture you can see. Next, a child walked across the bed. So, a child walked on the other side of the bed. Third, the boy ran across the street. The boy ran on the other side of the street. Let's try to understand third use of across. It means in every area of. So, first example, there is forest all across the country. So, there is forest in every area of the country. That is the meaning that you can see in the picture. Second example, the defense will be provided across the country. So, the defense will be provided in every area of the country. Last example, there is heat across the state. It means there is heat in every area of the state. Hope you understood well. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing and keep subscribing.